Welcome to another BetterDocs for Shopify tutorial. Today, we'll show you how you can configure live chats on your Shopify store. To get started, go to the BetterDocs settings and navigate to the Instant Answer section. Scroll down to display live chat option and click on the Turn On button. Don't forget to hit Save to apply the changes. Let's see how this works in action. Open up any product page from your store. On the bottom right corner, you'll notice the Instant Answer button. When you click on it, a chat box will appear. Go to the live chat option from here and hit the Send Us a Message button. Now, you can simply type your queries and click the Send Message button when you're done. Your customers' messages will be sent directly to BetterDocs for the Shopify dashboard. BetterDocs will ask for your email address in reply. You can submit your email address if you want. Now, let's return to the BetterDocs dashboard. Select the live chat option. You can find all of your live chats here. To respond to a specific chat, simply select it and start replying to the potential customer awaiting on the storefront. Now, your customer support representatives and visitors can talk to each other live and solve queries. You can also format your text, add links, insert images and more. Also, you have the option to leave a private note, only visible to your teammates. Once a conversation is complete, you can mark that chat as resolved. Now, let's see how you can filter your conversations and respond to a specific customer. Simply click on the Filter button to filter your chats by session status and session view. You can filter by resolved or unresolved chats. Plus, you can filter by assigned or unassigned chats. Once done, you can clear your filters. On top of that, you can find a specific chat by searching with the email address and reply to the visitor. After the query is solved, you can change the session status. This is how easily configure live chat with BetterDocs on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.